Good morning, everybody, and today we have some updates from a cruise destination. We got some updates from Carnival Cruise Lines, an activity that has returned, and an update on their newest cruise ship, and we have a tropical storm off the coast of Mexico that some cruisers might need to keep an eye on. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So we are going to start with Barbados. Now, Barbados has updated their health and safety protocols when it comes to cruisers in order to align themselves with what is becoming the cruise industry standard, at least at the moment. So if you are visiting Barbados, the vaccinated will no longer have to take a pre-cruise test in order to visit the island of Barbados, and the unvaccinated will have to take a COVID-19 test 48 hours prior to arrival in Barbados. So I said, it kind of brings them along with what the cruise industry is doing right now. You know, something that we're seeing from a lot of cruise ports, a lot of cruise destinations. Everybody's just now starting to get all on the same page. Carnival Cruise Lines, well, they have announced that the afternoon tea service has returned fleet-wide. So if you're a fan of the afternoon tea service, enjoy going, getting a little tea, having some of the snacks that they have there. Some of those snacks you can only get during afternoon tea. Well, that is back fleet-wide for everybody to enjoy. And Carnival slowly but surely bringing back their activities, the ones that everybody wants, the ones that people are looking forward to that were there pre-pandemic. So hopefully we will hear of more things coming back to Carnival here in the next couple of weeks. Now, the Carnival Celebration, well, she also began her sea trials this week. So they're going to take the ship out, they're going to test it, run it through all of its paces, and the Carnival Celebration is expected to sail from the port of Miami come November of this year. And finally, there is a tropical storm off the coast of Mexico over on the west coast side of Mexico that we definitely need to keep an eye on. So Tropical Storm K is predicted to gather in strength, possibly becoming a hurricane, and is expected to come up and affect the areas around Cabo San Lucas. So if the predictions are correct, starting tomorrow and Friday, this is going to be in the area and can affect cruising that is scheduled to go to Cabo San Lucas. So scheduled to arrive there tomorrow is the Carnival Panorama, and Royal Caribbean's Navigator of the Seas is expected to be there on Friday. Now, currently there are no confirmed itinerary changes. Nothing's been canceled, nothing's been adjusted that I am aware of. But if the storm goes as predicted, if the weather gets bad, if port operations are affected and it is unsafe in any way, naturally the ship is going to go a different direction. It's going to stay out of the way of the storm, and we have the possibility of some itinerary changes resulting in weather. So if you're booked on the Panorama, scheduled to arrive there tomorrow, or Navigator of the Seas, scheduled to be there on Friday, just keep an eye out, because like I said, the possibility exists. We are in hurricane season. We are currently in basically the height of the hurricane season, the end of August, September, into October. So this is the time of year where weather can definitely affect some cruises depending on how the storms are. And Tropical Storm K, like I said, has the possibility of becoming more and affecting cruises. And that's going to be your cruise news for today. If you have enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there has a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.